Oh my gosh, this is like a brownie, but a caramel peanut brownie. I'm just super excited to eat it. My mouth is watering because it smells so good. Maybe I'm doing them a little bit bigger than bite size. No one's gonna be mad about my big slices. Check it out. Yum. It's like get stuck in your teeth chewing. So yummy. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and today we're gonna be making a super delicious, quick and easy caramel peanut slice. This slice is chewy, delicious. There's only 4 ingredients, so it's kind of a cheat recipe. So if you like caramel, if you like peanut, you're gonna wanna make this. Let's get to it. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you're new here, I share lots of delicious home-style recipes, and I am also a twin mom, and I share all of my twin mom adventures. So my twins may or may not make an appearance at some point today. They're currently sleeping at the moment, so we'll see how that goes. So while they are sleeping, we're gonna be making this beautiful caramel peanut slice. And as I said, there's only 4 ingredients. So let me show you what you are gonna need. I have a couple of eggs, which I have lightly beaten. I have some Jersey caramels, which I have quartered. I have some caster sugar, and I have crunchy peanut butter. The Jersey caramels are like a soft fudge, so they've kind of got like a cream in the middle, and then they've got the outer layers of the caramel, and super delicious. You may want to add a few more because you might pick at them as you go. As always, I will leave all of the ingredients in the description box for you with the quantities, and for the full recipe to download and print for free, head to lebonbaker.com. Before we get baking, there's just a couple of other things you'll need. One of them is a mixing bowl. We're just gonna use the one today. I have a pan here, which I have double lined with parchment paper. So parchment paper, oil, parchment paper. And I have a whisk and a wooden spoon. You'll also need to preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We are gonna get mixing. You're gonna want this into the oven ASAP, and it's super easy. You literally throw all the ingredients in, mix it up. We cook it for 40 minutes, and ta-da, we have a beautiful slice. So that's what we're gonna do. Add your egg and your sugar. And I'm gonna start by mixing these two together first. Get rid of those sugar clumps. Throw in your peanut butter, also known as PB. You could use smooth if you have it at home already in the pantry, but if you want that little extra crunch and a bit more texture, I would say go crunchy. So I'm gonna mix this in together as well. Okay, I'm just gonna bash that batter out of the whisk here. And now it's time to add in our Jersey caramels. I should be wearing an apron today, but I'm not. Okay. I think I got it all. Let's add in our Jersey caramels. Okay, let's mix it up. So it's gonna look like this big messy mess. Messy mess? I'm gonna roll with it. It's gonna look like a big messy mess, and it's gonna taste absolutely delicious. And at this point, I'm getting it everywhere. At this point, you're gonna smell all these things, and especially the peanut butter. Peanuts and caramel. I mean, it's just a match made in heaven, right? How many things do you make with peanuts and caramel? I mean, the one that springs to mind instantly is Snickers, like so good. But anyways, this slice is gonna be so delicious, and we are already ready to put it in the oven. So literally we're just gonna spoon it out into here. So just get it in here first, and then we can make it even. Gets a bit sticky, so clean hands if you're using your fingers. Taste test. Highly addictive. Warning. So with either the back of your spoon or a spatula, we're just gonna spread this out so that it meets the majority of the base of this pan. And look who decided to show up. This is my boy Remy. I love you so much. So we just need to spread it out along the base and make it as even as possible. That's pretty good. You want to taste? Just joking. It's full of sugar. You're not allowed that. Let's do it. Into the oven, 40 minutes, rotate at halfway. And now we wait and clean the dishes. Do you want to do my dishes? Remy? Hey, do you want to clean the dishes? Boing, boing, boing. Before we do the dishes, Remy has found a quote for you guys today, and I like to share quotes just to inspire you, or hopefully it will connect with you in some way. So the one that we have found today is, "Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path." And that is a quote by Anonymous. And I really like that because sometimes in life you get a little bit of a shake-up, and then down the road you realize that it was what was needed, or it might have put you on a path that you otherwise thought you might not have been on. So don't worry, if you've got a storm going on right now, your path will be cleared. I know it will. And that is a quote from Daily Mantras to Ignite Your Purpose by Lisa Messenger. I love this book. It's back to baking. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've just taken this out of the oven after 35 minutes. I didn't quite want it to go to 40 minutes because I checked it, and upon checking it, it was beautiful and golden. The sides have started to caramelize slightly, especially where there's like little bits of those Jersey caramels that have popped through. And now it smells like a peanut brittle. So I'm super excited to eat this. We have to let it cool a little bit though, because it's not gonna cut very well. So it doesn't look like anything fancy, but this is like a brownie, but a caramel peanut brownie. So you gotta be patient, let it cool a little bit, and we can eat it in no time at all. I'm just super excited to eat it. My mouth is watering because it smells so good, but we gotta wait. I am done waiting, so let's get this thing sliced up. I've been waiting about 10 minutes. I can feel that it has hardened a little bit. It's still warm, so let's get going. So we're literally just gonna pick this straight up, and we're gonna go up and out. Give it a bit of a wiggle from the bottom. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! Peel away the sides. So I'm just gonna move this off the baking or parchment paper. Just give it a little wiggle along. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this up into some slices. It smells incredible. The peanut butter, it's like roasted peanut butter. It's kind of like butterscotchy, burnt caramel at the moment. It's looking so good. It's nice and like fudgy and soft and chewy in the middle, which is what we want, and kind of crispy around the outside. So it's gonna be delicious. And I'm not gonna do too big of pieces, even though this is dangerously addictive. Okay, maybe I'm doing them a little bit bigger than bite size, but this is a caramel peanut chewy brownie slice, guys. Come on, you're gonna go back for more. Let's be real. No one's gonna be mad about my big slices. My baby girl Ivy has woken up from her nap, so she has decided to join the party. All right, just in time, because we're gonna eat some of this slice. Looks so good. Check, 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 check it out. That's what you want. Crispy on the outside, chewy, soft, fudgy in the middle. Guys, if you are looking for a beautiful cake spade or cake server like this one here, I actually hand designed these myself and had them manufactured, and yeah, I'm absolutely in love with them. I think they're so beautiful. So you won't find them anywhere else in the world. Head to lebonbaker.com if you'd like one for yourself. The moment we've all been waiting for. Uh-oh. Yum. Guys, this is a lot of trouble. So addictive, really chewy. The top of it is like crumbly, the outside is crispy, and then the center is chewy. It is so chewy, it's like gets stuck in your teeth chewy. It's so yummy. I can't wait to eat more of it. I really hope that you love this recipe. It's a super simple one, but also really delicious and easy, and everyone's gonna love it. And if you're looking for a bit of an alternative to a chocolate slice or a chocolate brownie, then this caramel peanut one is for you. So if you do like slice recipes, I've got some other ones up on my channel. I've got some other chocolate brownies, vegan brownies, a cheats fruit and nut slice, and some lemon slice. So check those out. And if you are interested in my twin mum life, I've also have videos up there on my channel too. So thanks so much for joining us in the kitchen today. And please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again next week. Bye. Say bye.